Eps Production Line. Eps Batch Pre-Expander. With the use of PLC controller, programmable logic controller, touchscreen, man-machine conversation will be realized. Automatic negative pressure feeder, precision electronic weighing scale and feeding level switch make the automatic feeding and precise measuring come true. With the use of automatic control device for temperature and pressure inside the drum, and the automatic photoelectric level control device, uniformity of the density and lightweight of the foaming beads will be realized. Using the vibration sieve, crushing the lumps of EPS raw material, and blower fan and conveyor to accomplish the first loop of automation of foaming of the EPS beads. EPS block molding machine. With the use of PLC controller and touchscreen, the automatic looping process of opening and closing of the molds, feeding, heating, heat preservation, cooling, mold injection, and releasing the final product from the machine will be accomplished. This machine can be used to produce the width of 850 mm, 950 mm and 1150 mm EPS blocks, and also produce the width of 1000 mm EPS block for buildings. EPS EPP shape molding machine. The machine can select different feeding processes such as regular feeding, inflating, and vacuum feeding, ensuring high feeding speed and uniformity inside the mold. With advanced hydraulic system, the main and auxiliary cylinders will respectively operate and lock the mold. With the differential fast device, can improve the speed of moving mold journey to a maximum of about 200 mm per second, saving energy consumption over 40. EPS continuous block cutting machine. The machine uses the PLC programmable logic controller and touchscreen to achieve the automatic positioning and continuous moving of the EPS panel. The machine controls the motor to drive the transmission chain, at the same time making use of the resistance wires to cut out the required EPS sheets. The machine uses the horizontal and vertical cutting wires to achieve the 3D three-dimensional cutting of the EPS blocks. EPS wrapping machine. EPS packaging machine. EPS recycling system.